Lord, remember me. Reconnect my members, my parts from the separation that had once become me. My mind became connected to one thing, my soul to another, and my body was lost. Then, with the three forgetting who they are, how will my hands write, my feet walk, or my mouth talk? There is no sight. I cannot work. No blood flow. I am numb. I might as well be amputated because each function-serving member now serves a purposeless cause. No direction. System shut down. Who am I? Closed doors. You see, who I was has forgotten who I should be. Each member, dry bones. Can these live? Son of Man prophesied that the sinews, muscles, tissues and hair may come together and remember. Let the anatomical structure make the sense that it used to. Like, wait, am I not for him, by him, from him? If you zoom into my very cell structure, you see that I bear the cross. So I am not forgotten. He remembers.